How to fix Instagram crashing. First, completely close the Instagram app, then reopen it. If the problem continues, restart your phone. A simple reboot can often fix temporary software glitches. Next, check for updates. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and install the latest version if an update is available. On Android, you can also clear the app's cache. Go to Settings, tap Apps, then click App Management. After that, Instagram and Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account or posts. If you're using an iPhone, there's no dedicated cache button. Instead, you can offload app by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Instagram, then tap Offload App. After that, reinstall the app to refresh its files while keeping your data. Also, make sure your phone has enough available storage and a stable internet connection, since both can affect Instagram's performance. Finally, if Instagram still crashes, uninstall and reinstall the app, then sign back in. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted app files. That's it. Those are the best ways to fix Instagram crashing on Android and iPhone.